video today working on a few things for the house. These are some things I am working on today. This is a cutting board, another cutting board. I had to put some finish on it and then use this as well so it's food safe. This one is custom. I made for the kitchen. This is a new sign I'm working on for the outside of our house. And this I'm going to use as a picture frame. And then over on this side of the studio, I am actually going to take these wooden frames I got from Target. I'm going to spray paint them with an acrylic Krylon gold spray paint, so it has an antique gold look. And these are the frames that are going to go in our bathroom redesign that I'm currently working on. Okay, so I just took off my gloves. I finished spray painting the frames and the soap dispenser spout. So I went ahead and clipped this artwork onto this clipping board that I repainted and refinished. And this is going to go somewhere in the kitchen. I'm going to find some double-sided tape so this can stick down like that. And if you are interested in free art prints, you can just Google museum free art prints. That are museums all over the world where you can get high quality prints like this free of charge. So if you are interested in doing that, again, just go to Google, type in free art prints or museum free art prints, and you should be able to find some museums who are offering that free service. Exactly what that print looks like once it's printed. You can see the detail a lot better once I brightened it up a bit. But this is just an example of what you can do, how to do it. It's super easy, and the artworks are free. So I made the decision on the prints I want for the bathroom. This one here I definitely want to use, but I cannot decide which print or which second print I want to use. We have this one here. It has a great combination of color. It's very modern, and this print here, and I think I am honestly, you know what? I'm going to frame this one. This one here is the one I'm going to frame that's going to hang up in our bathroom next to this piece here. So it is going to be this one and this one. So we are in the bathroom right now, and as you can probably tell, or maybe you can't, but the cabinet's got a fresh coat of paint. I'm actually going to refinish the tile floor as well. I just am waiting for the spackle to dry so I can repaint this side of the wall, as well as get the whatever this is around the towel hanger fixed. This mirror is going in our kids' room, and we just ordered the new vanity mirror that's going to go in this spot, which will be here tomorrow. Okay, so it still looks like a construction site in here. All of the tools and stuff. I touched up the wall as best I could. The paint, we ran out of the paint. I had to patch that up, which I'm going to end up covering up with some artwork. And anything else that is imperfect is going to be covered up as well. But so far so good. And the vanity light came in today, so hopefully within the next couple days that will be down. So this is where we are right now. Over the next week I will give another update. Remember that video I did about how I remixed that Kids Playhouse? Be sure to check that video out. I'll try to remember to post a video about that as well. But that's it for today's video. I think, or I hope, we'll be done with our master bathroom within another week. Whenever we do, of course, I'll be sure to share with you all and post another video. Until then, thanks for watching.